Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show a really funny but cool effect that you can use across images of babies. And what I want to do here is I want to make this baby look like it's smiling with teeth. A really simple process for you to follow using the new generative fill option, but a really, like I say, cool and funny effect that you can apply across all images of babies. First of all, what I need to do is make a selection in the area where I want the smile to be. So I'm going to use my lasso tool here to make sure on new selection. And I'm just going to make a selection in the area where I want the smile to be, like so. Now, what happens now is when you use and create a selection, you'll get this little taskbar at the bottom, and you can see you have generative fill. So if I click on generative fill, I'm just going to type in smiling with teeth and click generate. Now, what will happen, guys, is it may take a couple seconds for the AI software to work out your prompt, but they always say good things come to those who wait. Also, as well, they'll give us 3 options to choose from, so we're able to not sort of just focus on one result. So there's the first result there. There's the second one, and there's the third one. I think I'm going to go for the second one there, like so. And as you can see, what it's done is created a generative layer. We can show you the difference between the original layer and the new generative fill layer. And there you have it, guys. That's how you make babies smile in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.